a standard normal distribution. So again we'll continue with the examples. Just I want to revise. So we are going to use z is equal to x minus mu upon rho, which is nothing but standard normal variate. And again we'll go the specific formulas. P of z less than of z1 is going to called as 0.5 plus phi of z1, and P of z greater than z2 is going to consider as 0.5 minus phi of z2. So with the help of this, so I will take the next question. In a normal distribution, 31% of the items are under 45 and 8% of items are over 64. Let mu so here in a normal distribution, 31% of the items are under 45 and 8% of items are over 64. Find the mean and standard deviation of the distribution. So here we need to find the mean and standard deviation. So I will consider, let mu be the mean and now in the normal distribution, so to get this one, so we need to just see the given data first. So they have said that 31% of items are under 45, means given P of x. So how many items? 31% of items are under 45. So means under means what here? You have to take what here? Less. Under means less than 45 items are how many here? How many percent? 31%. So 31% is nothing but, I will consider this one is nothing but 0.31. Similarly, 8% of items are over 64, means P of x greater, over means greater than 64, which is nothing but how many percent it is? 8%. 8% is nothing but 0.08. So this is a given data in the question. So with the help of this given data, we need to find mu and a standard deviation, that is mean and standard deviation of the given distribution. As we know that z formula is what here? X minus mu divided by standard deviation. This is z formula. So right now we don't know mu value and rho value, but we can substitute the value of x by using these two conditions. Now when x is equal to 45, when x is equal to 45, which implies the z value will be z is equal to 45 minus mu divided by rho, and I will consider this one as z1 answer. So this answer I got, I will consider as z1. Similarly, we have x greater than 64. Again, when x is 64, the value of z will be 64 minus mu upon rho, and I will consider this one as z2. So both I have considered z1 and z2. So therefore this equation will become in terms of standard normal variate. So we will going to replace this x by z as P of instead of x it will become z is less than, instead of 45 and 45 we are getting the answer this 45 minus mu upon rho, which is I am going to consider as z1. I will write z1 is equal to what we have here, 0.31, and second one P of z greater than z2, because 64 minus mu upon rho is going to consider as z2 is how much here? It is 0.08. So we'll simplify this one by one. So as we know that in the basic formula, if P of z less than symbol is there, it is nothing but 0.5 plus phi of this value z1 is equal to 0.31. Similarly, so here it is also great, it is greater than means it will be 0.5 minus, because of greater, minus phi of Z2 is equal to 0.08, or 0.5 you shift to the right hand side, so we'll get what here, phi of Z1 is equal to 0.31, so shift it, minus 0.5, or phi of Z1 will become 0.31 minus 0.5, we'll get how much here, it is minus 0.19, and here from this we'll get what here, so you shift this minus of phi of Z to the other side, it will become plus phi of Z2 is equal to, it will be 0.5, shift it, minus 0.08, so phi of Z2 will be, it is 0.42. So we got these two results. So we need to check these two results in the table. So here I will just give the direct values from the table now. So again we'll continue. So phi of Z1 is equal to minus 0.19, we got the answer. Phi of Z2 we got what here, 0.42. So from the table I have taken the value. So phi of 0.5 is going to be, it is a value, phi of 0.5 value is 0.19, and phi of 1.4 is nothing but the value of what here, 0.42, or I can say that 0.19 can be replaced by phi of 0.5 and 0.42 can be replaced by phi of 1.4. So these two above equation will become, so phi of Z1 is equal to minus 0.19, this value can be replaced by phi of 0.5, and similarly phi of Z2 is equal to 0.42 can be replaced by phi of 1.4. So this phi and phi cancels, we got the value of Z1 is equal to minus 0.5, and phi and phi cancels, Z2 value will be 1.4. So these two values you have to go back and you have to replace in this place. In this place 45 minus mu upon rho is equal to Z1. In place of Z1 what we got just now value we have to replace, and in place of Z2 we have to replace the what value. So therefore 45 minus mu divided by standard deviation is equal to minus 0.5, and similarly, so second equation we have 64 minus mu upon rho is equal to Z2, Z2 is 1.4. So therefore you simplify, cross multiply, 45 minus mu is equal to minus 0.5 rho, or shift this mu to the right hand side, so mu minus 0.5 rho is equal to 45. We got one equation in terms of mu and rho, and similarly here also, so cross multiply, 64 minus mu is equal to 1.4 times rho, or we can rewrite, shift this mu to the right hand side, mu plus 1.4 rho is equal to 64. We got two more equations. So two simultaneous equations we need to solve. So we'll take the calculator and we'll simplify this as, now we'll apply the value coefficient. So x, whatever x value we'll get from the calculator is nothing but the value of mu. Y will be considered as value of standard deviation, that is rho. So coefficient of mu is 1, so press 1, equal to coefficient of rho is minus 0.5 equal to constant is 45 equal to, next second coefficient of mu is 1 equal to coefficient of rho is 1.4 equal to constant is 64. So what we got, so mu x is nothing but mu is 50 and rho is 10. So therefore Therefore mu is equal to 50, which is nothing but mean, and rho is equal to how much here? It is 10. So I can conclude that. So thus mean is 50 and standard deviation is 10.